Hey everyone, it's Casey. We're talking about making money online as a designer. This isn't just about side hustles, it's about building a career you love, on your terms. The internet has opened up so many possibilities. You're no longer limited to traditional jobs. You can freelance, sell your designs, teach, consult, the list goes on. Think about what excites you. What are you good at? What do people always ask for your help with? Maybe you love creating logos, or maybe you have a knack for designing social media graphics. Whatever your passion, there's a way to monetize it online. Remember that YouTube channel I started years ago? It wasn't about the money at first, it was about sharing my passion for filmmaking, but that passion turned into a career I never could have imagined. The same can happen for you. So get ready to ditch the 9-to-5 grind if you want to, that is. It's time to take control of your future. Let's dive into some practical ways to make money online as a designer. Freelancing is like the Wild West of design. It's exciting, challenging, and a little bit scary all at the same time. But that's what makes it so rewarding. Platforms like Upwork and Fiverr are great places to start. They connect freelancers with clients from all over the world. Don't be afraid to niche down. What are you really good at? Find your specialty and own it. When I started out making videos, I focused on what I knew, skateboarding. I carved out my own niche and built an audience around it. Building a strong portfolio is key. Think of it as your online resume. Showcase your best work, highlight your skills, and make it easy for potential clients to see what you're capable of. Freelancing is all about building relationships. Communicate clearly with your clients, meet your deadlines, and always over-deliver. Word of mouth is powerful, especially in the online world. Passive income is the holy grail, right? Design something once and sell it over and over again. That's the beauty of creating templates and design assets. Websites like Etsy and Creative Market are perfect for this. Think about the things designers need all the time. Social media templates, website themes, icons, fonts, the possibilities are endless. The key is to create high-quality, versatile designs that people will actually use. Do your research. What's selling well? What are the current design trends? Don't be afraid to experiment and see what works best for you. Remember, presentation is everything. Just like with your portfolio, make sure your templates and assets are displayed in an attractive and professional way. High-quality mock-ups and clear descriptions can make all the difference. Sharing your knowledge and helping others learn is awesome, isn't it? And guess what? You can get paid for it. Platforms like Skillshare and even YouTube make it easier than ever to teach online. What are you a pro at? Photoshop, Illustrator, web design? Create engaging and informative tutorials that break down complex concepts into bite-sized pieces. People are always looking to learn new skills. Don't be afraid to show your personality. People connect with authenticity. Let your passion for design shine through in your teaching. Remember, teaching is all about storytelling. Make it fun, make it relatable, and make it stick. Promote your courses on social media, your website, and anywhere else your target audience hangs out. Building a community around your teaching can lead to even more opportunities down the line. You've got skills, you've got experience. Now it's time to share that expertise with the world and get paid for it. Design consultation is all about helping businesses and individuals solve their design problems. This could involve anything from branding and website audits to user experience reviews and design strategy sessions. The key is to identify your areas of expertise and market yourself accordingly. Networking is crucial in the world of consulting. Attend industry events, both online and offline. Connect with people on LinkedIn and let everyone know about your services. Remember, as a consultant, you're not just selling your time. You're selling your knowledge, your insights, and your ability to solve problems. Price your services accordingly. Who doesn't love cool merch? Turn your designs into physical products and tap into a whole new revenue stream. Print-on-demand services make it easier than ever to create and sell custom merchandise without holding any inventory. T-shirts, mugs, phone cases, tote bags. The possibilities are endless. Think about your target audience and what kind of products they would actually use and love. Don't be afraid to get creative and experiment with different designs and products. Platforms like Etsy and Shopify are great for selling your merchandise. You can also promote your products on social media, through influencer marketing, and even by collaborating with other businesses. Remember, quality is key. Make sure your designs are printed on high-quality products that people will be proud to wear and use. A happy customer is a returning customer. There you have it, folks. We just explored some awesome ways to make money online as a designer. Freelancing, selling templates, teaching, consulting, creating merchandise. The possibilities are endless. The key is to find what you're passionate about, develop your skills, and hustle hard. Remember, building a successful online business takes time and effort. There are no shortcuts. But with dedication, perseverance, and a little bit of creativity, you can achieve your goals and design the career of your dreams. Don't be afraid to experiment, take risks, and learn from your mistakes. The most important thing is to start. So, what are you waiting for? Get out there and create something amazing.